You are going to love the 2021 Grand Cherokee. The Jeep Grand Cherokee offers superior off-road capability comparable to that of the upscale Land Rover LR3. This makes the Grand Cherokee a fine choice for families who venture off-road or vacation in the mountains or other remote areas. This vehicle has less than 45,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: front license plate bracket, perimeter alarm, smart device integration, HD radio, Sirius satellite radio, trip computer, Sirius XM travel link, tinted glass, universal garage door opener, compass. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.